Have you ever thought about your actual financial value to your family? It's not just what you earn today, but the security you provide for their future. In motor insurance, calculating your sum assured is easy. It's your car's market value. But what about a human life? There's no price tag you can scan. Human life value, or HLV, is the present value of your future earnings adjusted for inflation, debts, and your family's financial goals. In short, it's the gap your absence would leave. Knowing your HLV ensures you choose the right insurance cover so your family maintains their lifestyle, meets future goals, and stays stress-free even if the unexpected happens. There are 3 key methods to calculate HLV, each serving different purposes clearly. This method multiplies your annual income by the number of years remaining until retirement. For instance, if your annual income is 10 lakhs rupees and you have 25 years to retire, your HLV is 2.5 crores rupees. It's focused on directly replacing your lost income. This approach calculates based on your family's yearly expenses and the number of years they'll depend on financial support. For example, if annual expenses are 6 lakhs rupees for 25 dependent years, your HLV would be 1.5 crores rupees, directly ensuring expenses are covered. This comprehensive method accounts for all major financial commitments such as daily expenses, debts, children's education, marriage, and retirement planning. After calculating all these needs, if your total requirement is 2 crores rupees, your insurance cover must match or exceed this figure to be adequate. Let's simplify this with Rahul's example. He earns 10 lakhs rupees annually, spends 3 lakhs rupees personally, and plans retirement after 25 years. Considering inflation, Rahul's calculated human life value would be approximately 2 crores rupees, indicating the coverage needed to secure his family's future. With your HLV in hand, match it to your current insurance. If there's a gap, top up your cover. And remember, review your HLV each year as incomes and goals change. Calculating your HLV is easy with the Need Analysis section in the Smart All-in-One Calculator app, designed for accurate and user-friendly financial planning. The Smart All-in-One Calculator includes specialized tools to calculate HLV. Human Life Value Calculator quickly determines your ideal life insurance cover. Retirement Need Analysis. This calculator assists in planning your retirement financial security. Child Education Planner. Another calculator to estimate future educational expenses and required savings for your children. Wealth Protection Calculator helps understand how to protect your assets and accumulated wealth effectively. Secure your family's future. Calculate your human life value today. If this video has been helpful, please like, subscribe to Insurance Funda, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.